Hey everyone, welcome to the Ask Bess show. Bess McCarty, Victoria, Kansas. Today the topic is the More Money Book Club. Who can use more money? And who's willing to learn how to have the right mindset, how to make it, and how to invest it. That's why I joined this really cool book club, and I want to let you know about it today. I'm also a teacher and a coach in it called the moremoneybookclub.com, and you can find that. But so I'm going to talk about that, and this is going to be a short live take. I'm going to talk about that in a few minutes. First of all, I want to introduce what this is. This is the Ask Bess show that's here every Saturday and Sunday on Facebook Live at noon Eastern Time. And this is a show where you can come and you can ask any question about business, network marketing, career, job, health, weight loss, relationships, communication, families, spiritual issues, anything like that. You can ask a question below, or you can private message me and ask a question. I'll respond here on the show. My main message is you matter. I hear you. I'll respond. You're bigger than any problem that is before you. You can become a master problem solver. And the solution is always within reach. I'm one of the helpers, and there's other helpers. The solution is always within reach. So, welcome, Deborah. Welcome. Glad to see you. And welcome, Nancy. And if you're watching the replay, please type in replay, because I'd like to thank you for watching. And also love to hear where you're from, what part of the world you're from, and what's the weather like right there for you now. So I'm going to, the topic today is More Money Book Club. I figured I would wear green today and even show you the $1 million bill that I put on my vision board when I opened my generic school for network marketers 10 years ago that trains millionaires, called the MLM Millionaire Academy now. It used to be called the MLM Millionaire Club. So I put this on my vision board because this is how many people I want to help become millionaires in network marketing. And so hello, Michael Murphy. Welcome. Haven't seen you for a while. Glad to see you. How are you and your son? So, More Money Book Club. I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. What would you do with more money? Everyone that I know knows what they would do with more money, even the multimillionaires that I know. We all know what we would do with more. So that's what I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to invite a few people and invite you to invite people as well who can use more money, who would like to join a free book club. There's no cost to join it, and I'll share more about what that book club is like in a few minutes. My background is I'm a body-mind therapist, holistic health practitioner for over 30 years, helping people to overcome blocks. And one of the things that I like to teach about is money mindset. How to allow us to have more money in our life, more abundance of every type, not just financial, but in love and health. There's health, wealth, and love, right? The three categories that we like to improve in our lives. So the more money mindset means we check out our programs. While I'm inviting people, I'm just going to speak about money mindset for a moment. It means we check out our programs we might have inherited from our folks, from our childhood, growing up, that says, I don't deserve, that costs too much, I can't afford that, I don't deserve to be rich, rich people have something special, I don't have that, that's for other people, not me, I'm not rich so far, how come I can't do it? Or money is even bad, greedy people, rich people are wealthy, and wealthy people are greedy and bad and selfish, and that's how they got their money. Whereas I find that money is a neutral tool, and it can amplify whatever I am. If I want to be generous, I can be more generous with money because it's a tool for me to do more good or bad. If I am a person who does bad things, I can do more bad things with money. But it is a neutral tool that can express whatever our goals are, whatever our personality is. And I want to have the biggest impact in my life before I go, so I would love to impact more people with money than I do now. Like to support the causes that I believe in A lot of people have gotten a lot of joy out of this, or even just giving it to where it's needed. So I invite you to invite people as well. I'm inviting people now. Some people tag people, some people share in other Facebook groups that could be watching at the same time. And welcome, Haley. Glad to see everybody. Okay, so for the topic today, it's going to be brief, but I simply wanted to tell you about the More Money Book Club. This is a free book club. I joined it as a member and as a student. I'm also teaching in it as a coach and a teacher within that about mindset. So it does three things, and that's work on our mindset and show us how to make more money, and then show us where to invest it. That's that last one that I am weakest in. I don't know where to invest. I know that there's no, I'd just like somebody to tell me what to do, right? But since there's no one individual answer, that's why I need to go in and I need to learn. And I don't have to do this alone. I can do it in the company of a wonderful group of people, like a mastermind. And so this is all free. However, it does require a commitment to study for 18 months. Of each study section is 18 months where we study a book, a financial book. And welcome, Thomas. Welcome, Shmala. Glad to see you. So it does take a commitment, but let me first of all just read you from the website their purpose statement so you can get a feel for it. The moremoneybookclub.com is an alliance of people committed to win in business and life, dedicated to excellence while becoming extraordinarily successful in whatever we choose. That could be in financial, could be health, wealth, or love, right? Whatever's most important to you. It is to inspire and uplift. Our supreme joy comes from benefiting and uplifting others. We aim to heal our world and inspire like-minded people to do the same. So what we do is for a period of 18 months, we study one book. Now, this is not a quick get rich thing, is it? And nor is it a small commitment, nor is it a quick one or a fast one. 18 months, that's kind of serious, studying one book. There's 3 books that we're going to study first. So the first book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Going to take 18 months in that, a weekly study in groups, mastermind groups of 12. Each mastermind group will have a captain. Those captains will have their own mastermind group where they're going to learn the next level of stuff and then bring that back to our group. So each group commits to study a book for 18 months. And thank you for the likes and loves. I appreciate that. And welcome, David. David just is a birthday boy. Happy birthday, David. So for 18 months, we study one of the books. The other 2 books that are coming up is Think and Grow Rich, which you know how deep that is, by Napoleon Hill. And then is The Richest Man in Babylon, Og Mandino. I've read all of these several times, but it's going to be wonderful to dive into it in the company of a mastermind group, 12 other like-minded people that we can learn more from each other. Remember, the group consciousness lifts us to another level than we can do alone. So I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, 18 months we study one of these books. Each book is selected because it educates, inspires, and changes lives. It makes our lives and the world better economic, spiritually, and socially. So I know that money is a tool. Used wisely, it can inspire our lives and help others. And the money as a tool can actually educate and express kindness and generosity and do more good. So my question, what would you do if you had more money? Just contemplate that. What's the next thing that you would do? I hope take care of your family first, take care of needed things first, and then begin to look around and say, who can use this money? Who can help me like perhaps I have been helped? And that is the best feeling in the world. So I do all this for selfish reasons because I want to feel good by helping others. So I invite you to check this out. This is a short Facebook Live today. At moremoneybookclub.com, I'll post the link below, and this is where you can join the book club. You'll get a welcome letter asking you for your commitment, and you can download a free copy of the first book. a free copy of the ebook of Rich Dad, Poor Dad if you don't have it already. Mine's pretty underlined and written in. So we welcome you to join us. Maybe we'll even be in the same little, 12 people pod. But at any rate, I'm going to be coaching and teaching the whole book club about money mindset as a coach and a teacher and a body-mind therapist for over 30 years. So hope to see you there. You're welcome to share this link with anyone, moremoneybookclub.com. And I hope to see you in there. Here's to all of our abundance and passing it on, being just a vehicle for the money, not holding on to it, but letting it flow through us to do more good in the world. Thank you, everybody, for listening. And we'll see you next time, Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday is Ask Bess show at noon Eastern time. And we cover the whole range. Anyone can come on and ask a question or ask me a question privately in Facebook Messenger. And can be about health, wealth, love, anything. Because it all affects each other, right? Our business and life definitely affects each other. I'm also going to post some free help tools that I have to help you move from problem to success instantly. I call them a real conversations process that I developed over 25 years ago. And I'm going to, it's tried and true, and it's it's the best thing that I teach. So it's how to help you get from problem to solution in minutes. Because remember at the beginning I said every problem has a solution. It's always within reach. So I will post that for you to use and to share, free tools as well. Welcome my dear friend Linda Duncanson, also a wonderful coach. Follow Linda, you guys. She is an incredible teacher from the heart and from the spirit. And so welcome. I'm just closing out now, and Shamala, thank you for being here too, Shamala. Some people here are students in the MLM Millionaire Academy. Welcome, star students, wonderful people here to follow. And I'll post the replay now so you can hear that, and we'll see y'all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.